so cold outside, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want leave, cause I'm going place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I checked.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Milan, beautifully Milan. If this is your first time here, Akeelah. If not, thank you for coming back to support your girl. So in today's video, I'll be installing my very first frontal wig, and I am so excited about it. I really enjoyed filming it, getting to put into practice what I've been learning for a while. So I hope you enjoy it as much as I did filming it. Okay, let's get into the video.
So many reasons where I want it for you, my love. Now you don't want to return, it's mine now. See all the little good things you do, they make me no.
I really love the texture of this hair. This is a double drawn jerry curl, 10 inches with a 10 inches 13x4 frontal hair. It feels so soft, it feels so luxurious. I love the curl pattern. Yeah, it has been pre-plugged. The front looks very natural, and I also like the fact that it can be worn as a glueless wig. So yes, anytime I'm in a hurry to go to work, I'll just slap it on without any glue and I'll be good. I also love that I can, glue it down to have an all back style anytime I want it. As I mentioned earlier, it's a 13x4 frontal, so we first have to get rid of the ear tabs. So you can see me trying to figure out exactly where to place the frontal so that it fits my head frame, and then I go in with the cutting of the ear tabs. Next, I prep the skin on my forehead using alcohol and a wipe. This to help get rid of any oils or dirt that may make it difficult for the glue to adhere very well onto my skin. It's a hack I learned on TikTok. Instead of spraying the glue directly onto your forehead, the best thing, especially for a beginner, is to get a container and spray directly into it. Allow the glue to sit for a while for it to get tacky, and then you apply it onto your forehead. Find that it is very fast and it will help you avoid unnecessary mess when it comes to spraying glue onto your forehead. So for me, I applied 2 thin lines of the glue spray before I finally fix the frontal on it. And you can see that I do it in sections. This to help me make sure it is well secured, and it's also a beginner friendly option. If you can work your way around applying the glue all across your forehead and then fixing the wig on, that's also perfect. But I think it is more beginner friendly if you do it in sections, and this is also another hack I found on TikTok. Guys, bear in mind that for each section I'm laying down, I always do 2 thin strips of the glue before I apply the lace on it. I did not show it in the video because I didn't want it to be too long, but that's what I do. Please make sure you do that. I don't think doing just 1 strip would secure your wig enough, so it's advisable you do at least 2 thin strips of the glue.
I know people die for nothing. What's it gonna be? All depends.
I also press the lace down with my fingers, and I go in with a comb to make sure it is well bonded. You know, we want it to be tight. We don't want any looseness anywhere. So I just press it down to make sure it is very much adhered to my forehead, and then to increase the drying rate of the glue.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
I must say the most challenging part of this, my very first frontal installation, was cutting of the lace. And surprisingly, I did not think that would be a difficult thing for me to do, but it really was. I think I did not really pay attention to where I laid the glue, where I put the glue. And so when I installed the frontal, it was just all over the place. I ended up having to leave a lot of the lace on. Yeah, I don't know if it makes sense, but from the video you can see that I did not cut a lot of the lace from the hairline, and so it was very obvious, and it made blending it quite difficult. But this is my first time. I mean, I'll get better as the days go by. Yeah, cutting the lace was a very, very challenging part for me, and I can also attribute it to the kind of razor I was using. It was not sharp enough. Yeah, so maybe that also contributed to it.
In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Just some me time. Doing what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Just some me time.
So at this point, I was just trying as much as possible to blend the lace with my skin using my foundation, which is a bit darker than my skin tone currently, although you couldn't see it from the video. And I mean, it worked, but it was not as much as I wanted it to. From the video you can see it was quite blended, although if I change my position you see that it's not really blended. That's how it looked in real life. It did not really look much blended, but yeah, we'll take it like that. Actually, after wearing the wig that day, the following day I tried my best to cut out the extra lace, and it was much better.
Cause I realize I got myself, it's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took about it. From now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself, it's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took about it. From now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with the 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling. I can't believe I believed everything we had was last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of when they had in your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. I'm naive to believe that in me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat with who's winning. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Cause I realize I got myself, it's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took about it. From now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself, it's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took about it. From now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love me, but but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really want to stay. I really want to know what I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I do it all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. What you do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? That lasts till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Guys, so after installing it, I just went ahead to wet it with some water and then I combed through it with my hands. I really love the outcome. I love the curl pattern. In fact, at this point, you know, I just love this wig. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have not subscribed, kindly do so, and don't forget to like if you enjoyed it and share with your friends. I'll catch you another time with another hair video. Bye bye.
Walking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The farthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, walking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The farthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, walking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting